What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vanilla and chocolate marble cake, and we will get right into it. Make sure you mix the ingredients properly to avoid getting any lumps in the cake. Adding the ingredients in intervals will help make the mixing process a lot easier for you. So once we are done with the vanilla cake batter, we will move into the chocolate cake batter, and this is what you will need for that. Coffee helps bring out the taste of chocolate in the cake batter, so in case you didn't know, now you know. To create the marble effect in the cake, we are going to add the vanilla and chocolate cake batter in intervals, so don't add all of it at once. Bake the cake in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Frosting the cake is completely optional. Once the cake is baked, it is ready to be eaten as it is. So this is the result of the cake, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. The marble effect of the cake is seen once you cut it, and I hope you will try this tutorial soon. If you have any questions, please comment down below, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.